Hello, you're in for a treat. Today you're going to see us speed solving all of these cubes. So first we're going to solve the pyraminx. Over here, this is the pyraminx and it's pyramid shaped. We've also got the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It's the 2x2 version of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. We've also got the 2x2 mirror cube, so it's got no colors and it's in different shapes and sizes. We've also got the skewb. Now this is a bit interesting. Instead of turning it and shifting it like you do in a conventional cube, you do it this angle over here. We've also got a 3x3 mirror cube, which is the version of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube without any colors. And finally, of course, we've got the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So we're going to solve all of these in one go. So, we just finished solving all of the cubes. All of these cubes we put tutorials on our YouTube channel, Shades of Hobby. Next, we're gonna do this. So this is the Megamix, and now we're gonna put a tutorial of this on YouTube. So check it out on Shades of Hobby on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe and like the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.